Well, good morning from Siem Reap. We've been up since what time? 4:30. We've just got home in studio to Angkor Wat for sunrise. I'm not going to talk much because it's so peaceful here, but we'll wait till sunrise and then you'll see why we've been up so early. She's returning to Taproom.
Tomb Raider.
Angelina Jolie is back.
The spitting image.
Look at her. We spent the morning at Angkor Wat, the temple itself, with our tour guide, Mr. T. Hello. That's Mr. T. We've got more facts and more numbers than Carol Vorderman, this man. He knows his numbers. But yeah, we go to the Tomb Raider temple now, and hopefully Lara Croft will get her little booty out. We've just done the Tomb Raider temple, as you know, and now we're heading into the ancient city of Angkor through the Victory Gate. And it's an incredible entrance to a city. There's 54 people holding the serpent of a dragon, and there's 54 demons this side holding the body of a dragon, and we're heading to this. So, covered by a smiling face, and then there's a few temples on the inside of here we're going to go and look at as well. But yeah, we're heading into the Victory Gate here. Also, I can't get over how lucky we are, because since COVID, tourists haven't really come back. This road used to be full of tourists waiting to go through Victory Gate. At the moment, it's just me, Mr. T, and Liz. There's literally nobody. There's one other person, so there literally is nobody here. Not quite actually on this occasion. But yeah, people are coming back to Cambodia, but not very quickly, which is good for us. from Siem Reap. Today we've booked onto a walking tour using Get Your Guide. So we've just got to where we need to be to start the tour in about half an hour, and we found a little restaurant, a little French bakery, the Paris Bakery, and their breakfast looked great. So we've got coffee and breakfast, and then we'll head down to do a walking tour of Siem Reap, and hopefully with a local guide find some little spots that we wouldn't have known existed beforehand. So join us as we go and explore Siem Reap. Well, due to a change in plan, Get Your Guide cancelled the guided tour this morning. They had sent an email, but it had gone into some folder or other, so I didn't see it. But anyway, they're getting a full refund. So we're going to roughly do the same tour as best we can ourselves. So we're going on our self-guided tour of Siem Reap. Come with us. Let's go on a guided tour without a guide. We've just got Google Maps and luckily a Cambodian SIM card, because otherwise we'd be up somewhere without a paddle.
We've got my fantastic sense of direction as well.
We'd be up somewhere without a paddle. So our first stop is Wat Phra Prom Rath. This place. It's a temple by the look of it. I can see Buddha's at the top there, so we're going to go in there, have a little look around, and then carry on up this road to the Royal Garden. And we're walking along the river. It's lovely here. Lovely noisy tuk-tuk. And we're going to walk along the river. The river's beautiful. There's lilies growing out of it. We're going to have a lovely time on our self-guided tour. Let's go!
I'll lead the way.
Let's go! Self-guided tour of Siem Reap. One place done. We're now on the road. We've got a footpath going along the river towards the Royal Gardens. Some lovely decorations all along the way. There's the elephants, there's a crocodile, a cougar or other big cat down there. There's Liz here, second cougar of the day.
What?
That was great. But the river's here, we kind of keep walking this way. And then I'll let you know where we're going after the Royal Garden. Apparently I'm going to have a photo taken in my my shrine. Behind me is the Royal Residence, so we're in the Royal Palace and Gardens at the moment. It's free to enter, free to walk around. Yeah, that's the end. This is the fact-finding mission we're on for you lovely people, because we don't have a tour guide. So walk along the river and you can come into the Royal Palace, Royal Gardens. You can't go into the palace because the king is asleep, we're told. Yeah, come have a wander around the Royal Gardens. It's a lot more open than Buckingham Palace. You can wander straight in here, not even a frisk, no identification, straight in. We are doing the self-tour, the self-guided self-tour with no guide that we are doing. And you find yourself being caught slightly short, never knowing, as I've said on many travel before, never trust a fart. You're at that point in your travel in life where you're not sure what's going to come out. Just up from the Royal Gardens there's a Starbucks, and it's a really nice clean shopping mall, and there's some good cheap, I say cheap, there's some good clean free toilets in there just by barbecue. So if you need the toilet, I think I should just do a vlog on toilets that you can use. I'm going to change everything. I'm just going to do toilets of Cambodia.
He was in there for probably a good 20 minutes.
Yeah, 10 levels of Candy Crush. Now the next stop on our self-guided, self-find walking tour is Kandal Street. Now you can struggle to find it. If you put it into Google Maps, it looks like it's taking you to a building site. However, walk slightly down and turn left. So you walk past the high school, 10th of January 1979 high school, great name for a school. Keep going past there, and then you're taking a left, and then you'll be on your right, and then you'll see it on your left, and it's a lovely walking street with loads of good coffee shops, bakeries, leather shop. The leather shop smells amazing. We're going to stop and grab a coffee while we're here. But the buildings, the architecture is a proper one it's the French colonial sort of style from when the French were here many moons ago. So yeah, let's stop and have a coffee. We're in the old market, which It's just down from Pub Street, and until you get in here, you cannot fathom how big this place is. There's meat, there's fish, there's fruit, there's veg, there's houses, there's jewellery. I mean, loads of jewellery, loads of meat, loads of food. There's everything here. You could probably spend a day walking around here, you still not see it all. There's so much stuff. In the market though, I have found something I've been looking for a long time. This, I believe and I hope, it's a custard apple. Liz has never tried one. I haven't had one in years. I've been looking everywhere for one. So we'll try this custard apple and I'll see if it's as good as I remember and if Liz enjoys it as much as I think I enjoy it. Are you ready? Are you ready to try a custard apple?
What now?
It's too exciting to wait. Yes, now we need to go try. Let's find somewhere to try. By the river. Let's go to the river. So this is, I hope, it's what I remember a custard apple to look like. Have you ever seen one before?
No, and I'm imagining it to taste like an actual custard flavoured apple. I'm expecting that to come off and it looking like a golden delicious and tasting exactly of custard. And if it doesn't, I'm going to be bitterly disappointed.
Right, how am I going to do? Right, you film me a second. Right, I'm going to show you how to eat it, and then I'll let you try. Okay, so hang on.
You don't peel it?
I'll show you. I'll show you. So my memory is you literally you take a chunk like this. So you peel that bit off. Get your fingers in. So that's a seed. That you don't want the seed. So you take a few of the. Oh my, I forgot how much I like this. So just pop them fleshy bits in your mouth.
What is this madness?
Suck off the seeds. Wait. Don't suck your seeds. So, two things. Yes,
Just
it is.
Two?
It is a custard apple, and yes, it is as delicious as I remember. Right, your turn. So peel the skin.
So just get one bit at a time?
Yeah, you can do.
It doesn't taste of custard, but I'm not bitterly disappointed. It's lovely and it tastes like something else that I've had, and I can't think what it is. Something else that I've had here.
See, I do. It's like mangosteen. It's a bit like mangosteen, but I do sort of get a hint of custard.
I think it's literally like mango. Now that you've said that, I don't know what mangosteen is, but I think it tastes like mango.
So the mangosteen you had was that little purple fruit that also you peeled, similar to this. So the mangosteen's a little purple fruit. You peel the hard skin off, and it's similar white flesh to this, but not quite the same taste. It's a bit sweeter mangosteen. I think there is a custardy taste to this one.
I'm having all of it.
But it's juicy, it's sweet. But yeah, there are a lot of seeds. It does take a lot of sucking.
It's not like you're eating a pomegranate though, they're ridiculous.
Although I have been taught how to peel a pomegranate, and it's a lot easier once you know how, I think, because we don't eat enough pomegranates in England. We just sort of faff around and get annoyed and throw it out the window and smash somebody's cat because they're that hard. Cat? Well, you throw it out the window, it'll hit the cat.
What are you killing cats?
Mark this fruit out of 10. Let's give it a 10.
Ooh. I mean, it depends how deeply you want me to think about this. Taste. Taste, I'd give it a solid 8.
8 out of 10 for taste.
But overall, because of the mess and the appearance of it, it doesn't look appetising until you get in there.
That's what they say about me.
That doesn't work. I feel like it's very slow today. So overall, it's a bit pear-like as well.
It's got a peary consistency.
Basically, it's a bit pear, a bit apple, a bit mango, a bit lychee.
And so taste you're giving an 8. Overall, you're giving a...
Giving it 7.
7 out of 10. Try custard apple if you can find one.
That's just because of the practicalities of it. Did you want any more?
I do want some more. I must show you though where we've chosen to sit and eat. This is quite nice. We've literally sat in a park. This beautiful bridge over the river. A nice place to sit and enjoy a custard apple.
So many seeds in my mouth. Oh
You
god.
could plant a custard apple.
Probably should have done this from the start.